Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I'm here to share two of my ledger folios. I think that's what Nick the Booksmith calls them. I took one of her little classes to learn how to make these. I will link her below under this video in the description box so you can go check her out. These ones are super fun. I really liked making these. And one is Dream, one is Notes, and I will start out. This one was my first one, and I, of course, added a little tassel that can be removed, and it's got beads and everything on it. Of course, I always have to add a tassel. I love these, though. They're so fun. I love the little brown corners and stuff that she does. Okay, and you open it up, and these are, oh my goodness, TN size, whatever that is. I'm thinking, 8.5 by 4 3/4 is the outside part actually, and this totally opens up. And these are not sewn in, but this pocket is, and it's got a little paper clip here and some washi tape stuck in there. And this is fabric. And we got these tags to go inside. I'm super tired today, and it's like 100 here today, and oh yeah, I better sit down before my hands explode. Ugh, they're getting worse by the minute. I just stuck some Tim Holtz little ephemera inside this little envelope so it can be used throughout the book. And I just put this little paper clip on there and tucked that in the pocket. Oh, I go back to the doctor tomorrow, so because my hands are starting to really hurt me again, and my back, and oh, about to freak. So, anywho, that's the update on my personal health. Hopefully tomorrow I get some answers. But this right here is just a little pocket that I made, and this is a sticker I put on top of this. There's like, I think there's 12 or more pages of old school paper right here as a little notebook, and you can just write on them and rip it off and add another one on there. And so this is just a little insert. Let me flip this up. No, down. There we go. And yeah, sewn a little pocket right here. Used a lot of Tim Holtz in this one. And some more extra paper for lots of journaling in this little. This is a little postcard that I found in my stash. I do not know where it came from, but it's super cute and super old, so I stuck it in there. And I did a little bit of lace, not much, just because I know she likes lace, the old lady that bought this. And so let's go inside. I just love the lace. Lots and lots of journaling spots. These are not decorated heavily or anything like that. There's just lots of journaling. A little, one of my granddaughter's little tags. Everything is coffee dyed for the most part, except for this music paper. Little tuck spot right there. Another little tuck spot over here. Can't remember whose these are. I will look it up though and stick it in the description box for you. I don't have my nails on either, so I took them off. I don't think I'll be going long without them, but that is the first signature, or insert, I should say. And then this is the second insert, and I did a little pop dot sticker right there, and some more vintage trim right here. Another tablet with a bunch of paper. I think there's 12 pages on this one too. Some glue strings. But yeah, there's another little tablet there. Another little sticker. I'm trying to use up some of these. I have like a bazillion stickers and I never use them. I just don't know why, but I don't. But I need to. That or start sending them out in Happy Mail. Little journaling. I think that's Old Design Shop. Another journaling tag there. This page is not coffee dyed, but I did staple yet another tablet, and you can fold it over here so you can write on it. A bunch more pages. And fold it back over and hide it so nobody sees it. A little journaling spot there. Little Tim Holtz here, Tsunami Rose, and I think that's Old Design Shop, Tsunami Rose, one of the two. The postcards I get a little confused, and this is from the Old Design Shop. I didn't even know what this was. Somebody had to tell me. It's one of them, I guess what they used to use in computers back in the day. But yeah, it's super, super cool. I love it. I almost don't want to get rid of any of it. She sent me a Happy Mail package, and oh my goodness, I should do a video on it. I'm hoarding it right now, and it's been so hot here that I haven't really done much videoing or anything. Because, yeah, I swell up too much when it's hot, and I get miserable. Another little, what in the world? I did not round those corners. I cannot have that. I have to have those rounded. That's just me. And that was the second one. And then there's a little pocket back here with these two little tags. Put that one behind there. And another pocket above that one with this tag inside and another sticker. And that, yeah, these come out, and so this whole thing you can refill with 3 new inserts if you want. I just super love the way she makes these. They're so fun. And then you just slide that back in there like that. And there you go, and it lays really flat too. Super duper fun to make. Y'all need to go take this class because it is so fun. She doesn't put the tassels on it or anything, but that's just my thing right now. But yeah, there's that one. And this one is basically about the same. A tassel on and some beads on there. And this one says notes. And that's the back. And again, it lays completely flat. This one has a little pocket in here. And this one, I just glued some really cute little things on. And I put some rub-ons in here, and they can be put anywhere in there that they want to put. This one's already sold as well. So she can put those anywhere she wants. An index card. And then these two. I think that's already May's. Her coffee kits, I think. And then this one. Ledger. And this paper is out of Daphne's Diary. And this one has this big old pocket. And I took it, I think that is also Nick the Booksmith. And this, I just clipped on 2 of these little Tim Holtz pieces of ephemera. Good Lord, can't speak. And I also bought a whole 100, actually, to be exact, vintage postcards off of eBay, and they're from 1958 or 38. I can't remember exactly what it said. I think 38, I believe. And one of them said 1910. I was like, what? But these are amazing. So I thought I would share them. I think some of them I'm going to go take and copy some because the images are so awesome. Lots and lots of writing. Edith Holden envelope with the little Savannah tag inside. some old dollhouse paper, wallpaper. Nick the Booksmith, and it's backed with coffee dyed paper. Daphne's Diary. And that is the first signature, and then this is the little pocket insert, and I just put some tracing paper pocket with a little rub-on right there, and a little sewn bunch of old school paper. And I just stuck that in there. Another Tim Holtz tag, another little Nick the Booksmith tag, and this is from Old Design Shop. Love those. Love those. I should take those and copy them too. I need to find me some of those. And then another tablet here. And then another big old pocket, another one of them computer thingies, which I love. I should just hoard the rest. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna for a while because I just super cute. I love them. I didn't put anything in here. Why, I don't know, but I'll have to do that. This is out of a really old book that my friend Michelle gave me. It's out of this really old Schools and Crafts and Projects book. Oh, it's super cool. It's got some really cool things inside. But that is out of there. And then the old recipe card from the Old Design Shop. Super cute. Little vintage card. Oh my goodness, I love it. Nick the Booksmith, backed on coffee dyed paper. A little tag I made, sewed on with some Tim Holtz paper. This is an old from 1958 postcard, and it's got a letter on the back. Super cool. I love it. It's so small I can't even read it. Something about sleeping in late and stuff. Granddaughter going to college. The Ideals magazine. And the back pocket has Nick the Booksmith tag sewn on to paper, coffee dyed paper, and then this little ticket I made out of Tim Holtz, and that is Tim Holtz. And as the other one, this one comes completely out, and so you can put new inserts into your cover. I just love them, and they lay completely flat. It's insanely cool. I love them. So yeah, I will link her where you can take the class. Y'all know Nick the Booksmith anyway, so you'll know where to go. But yes, I super love these. They are so cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm having a giveaway as soon as I reach 4,000 subbies, which is only like a few more subbies. And yeah, I'll be doing a video on that giveaway coming up shortly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you will have a chance to win the giveaways. There'll be two things being giveaways, so yeah, looking forward to that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.